Yeah. Yeah, come on.
You're gonna have to edit it to where it just. Ugh.
Come on. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there it is. All right, I got it. Okay, go on and go ahead. Get ready. Psyched up.
I'm trying to get psyched up. This shit's terrible. Literally.
It is bird shit. Have you got your Coke?
Yeah, I got it behind me. I'm making tongue scrubbable pieces. Ah. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh no, man. Did you see that was nasty as shit? Look at what's left on the windshield. Oh man, yo, look at him out there puking. Are you throwing up? Are you puking?
Yeah.
Well, how was it? Filling?
Yes, it was very filling.
It was very filling. Oh man. Oh shit. Oh, bird shit, I'm here to tell you. Fresh bird shit. You rinse your mouth out with the Coca-Cola, son? Oh no.
Fuck.